What's going on, AC/DC and Guns N' Roses fans? Just want to let you know that Angus Young is interviewed in this month's Rolling Stone magazine, where he talked about the retirement, Malcolm Young's health problems, and the future of the band. He also talked about enlisting Axl Rose's help on this tour that they've been on. And one of the questions they were asked about is were they concerned about Axl showing up late to gigs? And he said that Axl's been very professional. He's been great, even down to actually choosing what songs they want to work out. And he also talked about how Axl was able to step in for Brian. And basically, Axl works with a production guy in Guns N' Roses who does the same kind of work for AC/DC. And he put his name in there, and they did some rehearsals in Atlanta. And apparently Axl did his homework. And even had a few songs like Touch Too Much, which the band hadn't even played in a long time, that Axl suggested. So it's sort of, that's how he sort of filled in for Brian Johnson. And he even compared Axl's sound more to Bon Scott than Brian Johnson. So if you guys want to read the entire interview, it's down below in the description box. Check it out. And let me know your thoughts. What do you think is going to happen with AC/DC? Do you think Axl's going to be splitting time between GNR and AC/DC? Comment down below. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe for the latest Guns N' Roses news. Take care.